हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम इंडियन रिवर के बारे में कुछ क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. विच इज़ द लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर इन इंडिया? ऑप्शन ए गंगा, बी गोदावरी, सी यमुना, डी ब्रह्मपुत्र. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए गंगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. द रिवर नर्मदा फ्लोज थ्रू विच स्टेट इन इंडिया? ऑप्शन ए मध्य प्रदेश, बी महाराष्ट्र, सी गुजरात, D. Rajasthan. So the correct answer is option C, Gujarat. Question number 3. Which river is known as the sorrow of Bihar? A. Yamuna, B. Kosi, C. Ganga, D. Brahmaputra. So the correct answer is option B, Kosi. Question number 4. The river Godavari originates from which state? A. Maharashtra, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Telangana, D. Karnataka. So the correct answer is option A, Maharashtra. Question number 5. Which river is the largest tributary of the Ganga? A. Yamuna, B. Gandak, C. Son, D. Brahmaputra. So the correct answer is option A, Yamuna. Question number 6. The river Mahanadi flows into which ocean? A. Bay of Bengal, B. Arabian Sea, C. Indian Ocean, D. Andaman Sea. So the correct answer is option A, Bay of Bengal. Question 7. Which of the following rivers is the primary source of water for the Taj Mahal? A. Yamuna, B. Ganga, C. Godavari, D. Narmada. So the correct answer is option A, Yamuna. Question 8. Which river is known as the Dakshin Ganga, which means South Ganga? Option A, Godavari, B. Kaveri, C. Krishna, D. Narmada. So the correct answer is option A, Godavari. Question 9. Which river is the main source of irrigation for the Indus Valley civilization? A. Sindhu, B. Ganga, C. Yamuna, D. Saraswati. So the correct answer is option A, Sindhu. Question number 10. Which of the following rivers does not flow through India? A. Ganga, B. Brahmaputra, C. Indus, D. Nile. So the correct answer is option D, Nile.